Rights and responsibilities. The information I gave on this renewal form is true as far as I know. I know that I may be subject to a penalty if I do not tell the truth. I understand that the information I give will be used only to see if those in my family who are applying to renew health insurance will qualify. I understand that the Medi-Cal program in Covered California will keep my information private as the law requires. For more information or access to personal information and records maintained by the Medi-Cal program in Covered California, I can contact my local county office, or I can contact the Covered California Privacy Officer at 1-800-300-1506, TTY 1-888-889-4500. I understand that to be eligible for Medi-Cal, I am required to apply for other income or benefits to which I or any member of my household is entitled, unless he or she has good cause for not doing so. Examples of such income or benefits are pensions, government benefits, retirement income, veterans benefits, annuities, disability benefits, Social Security benefits, also called OASDI, or Old Age Survivors and Disability Insurance, and unemployment benefits. But such income or benefits do not include public assistance benefits, such as CalWORKS or CalFresh. If I have questions about a possible source of income, I can call my local county office or Covered California at 1-800-300-1506, TTY 1-888-889-4500 for help. If I am found eligible for Medi-Cal, I must tell my county eligibility worker about any changes that may affect my eligibility for health insurance within 10 days of the change to my local county office. These changes include, but are not limited to, I move, my income changes, my household changes, for example, marriage, divorce, become pregnant, or have a child or children, I become qualified for other health insurance. If I am enrolled in Covered California, I understand I must report changes within 30 days. I can call Covered California at 1-800-300-1506, TTY 1-888-889-4500, or visit coveredca.com. I understand that I must report income changes to my local county office because it may affect the eligibility for Medi-Cal benefits or Covered California for the amount of state and federal financial help that I may be eligible to receive. I also understand if I receive too much financial help during the benefit year, I will have to repay the extra premium assistance or state subsidy back to the IRS or California Franchise Tax Board when I file my federal and state income taxes for the benefit year. I give my permission to Covered California and the Medi-Cal program to check the other agencies' computer records to verify citizenship or whether I am lawfully present in the U.S., tax information, and other information related only to eligibility to see if I or other people on this renewal qualify for health insurance. I understand that, as required by law, the information I provide about myself and other people on this renewal for Medi-Cal will be checked by computer with other facts given by employers, banks, SSA, Internal Revenue Service, Franchise Tax Board, Social Services, and other agencies to see if I or other people on this renewal qualify for health insurance. I know that if Medi-Cal pays for a medical expense, any money I or anyone on this renewal form gets from other health insurance or legal settlements related to that expense will go to Medi-Cal as payment for expense until the expense is paid in full. For parents whose child or children qualify for Medi-Cal, I know I will be asked to help the agency that collects medical support from any parent on this renewal form who does not live with the child and does not send support for the child. If I think that helping will harm me or my children, I can tell the Medi-Cal program and I will not have to help. Rights to appeal. If I think the Medi-Cal program or Covered California has made a mistake, I can appeal its decision. To appeal means to tell someone at the Medi-Cal program or Covered California that I think its decision is wrong and ask for a fair review of the action. I know that I must file an appeal within 90 days of the decision. I know that I can represent myself or someone else represent me in my appeal, such as an authorized representative, a friend, a relative, or a lawyer. I know that if I need help, someone at the Medi-Cal program, Covered California, or the local county office can explain my case to me.